Oh no! Oh my god! There goes Savannah! Oh my god, it's thick! We have like a foot of snow coming, and there's about 5 inches on the ground right now. Oh no! At the gas station. Alright, so while we are filling up, take a look at this. So I have not had a radio for months, actually. When we were putting on my wheel lights, whatever we did with the wiring or something, it just, you know, my radio said no. So that's something that I gotta get done soon. I haven't been able to listen to music. I haven't been able to even look at the time without having to look at my phone. And our friends over at Infinite Custom is going to do that for me. They're the people who did Gabe's sound system. I'm not doing anything as crazy as him, but I did really want, I need a radio, but they're gonna hook me up with subs and speakers and all that fun stuff. Gabe's parking it for me because this parking lot is not fun. But we're here. Look at him. He looks so angry. All right, y'all. Now we're in Tennessee. What's new? All right, so last night you saw us pull up to the hotel, and now we're at the truck show like 2 hours early. They're having a meeting.
Third gen meeting, and then one Dodge. Or no, one Dodge, one Chevy, and one Ford. We're going home.
You only got about a kilo.
Where at? Do you mind? Right here?
You're like the best truck I've seen.
Thank you. I had to take off my drive shaft. Because I blew it up. Right here? Where? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, I tried, you guys, but
Yeah, whatever.
we're going in that. I said get the feel for it before you go at it. I'm like scared for my life. Look at everybody watching. Look at everyone like screaming. Don't hit him.
Somebody feel very good.
Yeah. We haven't like spun out crazy yet, so we might as well get out of here.
Yes.
I guess we're taking a ride in somebody's truck. Oh, what's up?
I understand.
Hi.
I took driving here.
So what's the possible
Alright,
idea?
so this is, what's your name? This is SRT Johnny. Oh, yeah. This is SRT Johnny's truck, 4th gen, mega cab, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna take on my 3rd gen today, and I'm gonna take home his mega cab. How's that sound?
I just got hit in the eyeball by like a rock. I can't keep my no. Oh my god! I literally can't keep my eye open, you guys. Ah, that hurt worse than like getting punched. Not gonna lie. Savannah got me eye drops. It's kind of swollen, and it's hard to keep my eyes open. But it's fine. I'm living. Okay, so I thought it couldn't get worse. Gabe's drive shaft is on the ground. Why? Why us? Why? Alright, y'all, we are on our way back to Illinois. We had an awesome time this weekend. We broke shit. Then we spent like 3 hours fixing shit. But yeah, definitely like one of the most fun truck shows I've ever been to. There's not a lot of shows you go just a really different experience.